In this video, we're going to show you how to train AI writing tools for your brand voice in just 3 minutes. If you're looking to get AI to sound exactly like your brand, stay tuned, because you're about to get an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today, only for viewers of my channel. So, let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is get familiar with the AI tool you'll be using. There are a lot of options out there, but the one we'll be working with today makes this process straightforward. Once you've signed up, you'll want to upload a collection of your best written brand content. Think blog posts, email campaigns, product descriptions, or anything that reflects your brand's voice. This is where the magic starts. You want the AI to get a sense of your tone, style, and vocabulary. Now, you might be wondering, how do you make sure the AI really understands your voice? It's simple. Provide examples. The more data you feed it, the better. This could include things like your brand's unique phrases, specific word choices, sentence structure, and even how formal or casual your content tends to be. For example, if your brand is super friendly and informal, include examples that show that. If you go for a professional and authoritative tone, feed it examples of that as well. Next, you want to fine-tune the AI's outputs. After inputting your data, the AI tool will start generating content based on your brand's voice. Review it closely. Does it sound like your brand? If not, provide feedback. Many AI tools allow you to adjust the output by tweaking the settings or providing more feedback. This feedback loop helps the AI adapt and improve its understanding of your voice. Don't just feed the AI generic data. To make sure it reflects your brand voice accurately, provide detailed guidelines on how to structure responses. Does your brand prefer short and punchy sentences, or do you prefer long descriptive explanations? Are there certain phrases or words you always want to use or avoid? Customize these elements and watch the AI start to mimic your voice more precisely. And here's a pro tip. Train it on different types of content. AI can be great for product descriptions, but you want it to handle social media posts, newsletters, and blogs in the same voice. Train it across all these content types to keep consistency across everything you produce. Now let's talk about the tool itself. If you want to follow along and try this out yourself, there's an exclusive free trial available for you in the description below. This tool makes it easy to upload your content, adjust settings, and fine-tune your AI's writing. It's one of the best out there, and I've tried most of them, so I'm confident it will work well for you. Just click the link to get started and see how fast you can train your AI writing tool for your brand. So, what's the key takeaway from today's video? Training an AI writing tool for your brand voice comes down to feeding it the right examples, giving clear feedback, and continuously fine-tuning it. Don't expect perfection out of the gate, but with the right adjustments, you'll get there. To wrap things up, first, make sure your AI tool has enough of your brand's written content. Second, refine it by providing feedback and fine-tuning settings. Finally, make sure you've trained it on all kinds of content so it's consistent everywhere. And before I let you go, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description to follow along with the exact software we've been using today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.